What's going on, guys? And welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, it's going to be a red day recap, and essentially not really proud on what it's been happening in the last 10 minutes or so. I mean, I just burned a green day essentially. I just burned a green day in the last 10 minutes, and um, I'm very upset at the moment with myself. Very, um, I don't know, very disappointed. I would say two losses that cost me not only a red day, but over the maximum daily loss, and definitely uh, setting me back a bit on this month. I was up this morning. I was up on the month $100. So now I will be down $125, which it's not a bad of a deal, but this kind of red days that they are going over my maximum loss, which is $150 maximum loss per day. They are essentially costing me the month. So I'm working on uh, I'm working on reduce these red days like this, and today again I wasn't somehow I wasn't able. I gave up. Um, I gave up somehow. So let's dive into the recap, and let's see what happened this morning. First trade was in Baba. Baba, I shorted the 90 17 area, which before placing a first trade today, I've been waiting quite a lot. But anyway, I shorted um, the Baba trade at 90 17 here on this setup, risking essentially the pullback and the regain towards the whip up. Took first partial. I wasn't able. We never reached the second partial here, so uh, took the lesser shares um, at um, at break even. I was out at break even over here. The second trade and losing trade was in Zillow. Zillow this morning opened on the way down. The first trade didn't really triggered, but then I was looking. This 35 area was interesting to me. Once we came back to under the wave up and with the volume, I decided to short the 35 area and stop loss essentially uh, above the wave up there, risking 50 cents on this trade. Um, and for a first partial at 34.5 at almost the low of the day, which we never reached. So closed this trade in red. AMD AMD was a beautiful trade that made my day. And after this trade, was better off to um, just close the platform, call it a day. I was almost up 1.5 hour, um, and um, and that should have been my cue this morning to just bugger off. Long the 94.75 area for a breakdown towards the upside. Took first partial at 95.15, second partial at 95.55, all towards this pullback, and then decided to add a small quantity here at 95.5. 97 was a daily resistance, so I was uh, I was essentially I was waiting to sell at 97 or so. So once we got over the 97 area at first pullback, I did sell my entire position. And the AMD was a nice trade. Only on AMD I had done $150. I feel so stupid right now. Uh, Second trade, the other trade after AMD, I had a trade in BA, and here is when the insanity somehow started, which I didn't recognize this morning, but did short. I did like how the BA was coming down. Did short at the break of 146.5, essentially looking for the low of the day, looking for 1 point here, risking 1 point as well on more. So a very calculated trade, this one, risking the $50 for this trade. But then I had two stupid trades, one in BA and one in Apple. After we had this after we had this pullback in BA, and the way that we started to consolidate here, was kind of expecting another pull down, another wave down. So I was risking 30 cents on this trade. Entered with 200 shares. Got in this spike. I didn't place the my hard stop. So I got in that spike was quickly, and once when I closed my position, I was in red essentially, losing 189 only on this trade. The SPY started to run up in that moment, and I thought that Apple would have continued. Apple spiked with the SPY, and the SPY essentially is still going higher at this moment. So I was risking again the low of this candle, risking again the low of this candle, looking for a movement higher towards the a run higher towards the high of the day. Got into the in the flash again on the SPY. Hold actually, I did hold on this candle. I did hold on this candle, and decided to come out from the position if we would have lost the 158 area, which essentially we did. Close the position at on this candle on the way down at 157.83 with another $125 loss. So these two trades in these two trades, I lost $300 almost, when I should have lost in these two trades only $100, and probably called the day anyway. Um, Disappointed, yes, very disappointed. I also I'm just realizing that after the trade in BA, I should have stopped, um, since that was my third red trade in the day, and I didn't. So that is something again that I have to remind myself to work on that. Stop after the third red trade, and what I've been noticing that the hard stop it's really helping me lately a lot. So um, that is the way forward for me to manage losses and keep the downside in check. Uh, well, nothing else I can say today. It is what it is. Essentially, next week will be another week. Um, but yeah, I need to work still towards these, and hopefully next week will be better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.